Good morning, children. Children, we know that the astronauts are those people who go to space. They are sent to space by the scientists to find out different information about planets, solar system, galaxy and other heavenly bodies. Till date, many astronomers from different countries have been to space. Talking about our country India, in India, this man called Rakesh Sharma was the first man to go to space, children, not to the moon. Many of you can get confused. You think he has gone to moon. No, he has gone to space. He is Rakesh Sharma, India's first man in space. In 1966, he joined NDA, that is our Air Force cadet, and in 1984, he became the first Indian to travel in space as a part of a joint effort between ISRO. We have studied about ISRO when we talked about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who headed this different projects which sent aircraft to the space. Okay, the artificial satellites like Rohini and Aryabhat was the first Indian made satellite, indigenously made satellite to the space. He went to space in the year 1984 and it was a joint effort of ISRO and Soviet Union. At that time it was Soviet Union, which is now known as Russia. So the joint venture of ISRO and Soviet Union, and he was sent to space, okay, and he was the first man to land in space from India, okay, and in 1970 commissioned into IFA as a pilot. So he means there has to be training, and he traveled for 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes. He spent aboard the Salyut 7 orbital station. So he was there in space for 7 days, 21 hours and 40 minutes he spent, and he was in that space station, orbital station of Salyut. Okay, so this is Rakesh Sharma, children, for you, the first Indian to go to space. Now coming to the two great women, all of you know about them. One is Kalpana Chawla and the other one is Sunita Williams. Children, Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams, they are not now an Indian, they are now US citizen, though Kalpana Chawla had died unfortunately when in her mission, and Sunita Williams is actually an American, though her parents are Indians. So this is Sunita Williams, this is Kalpana Chawla. All of you know about to these great women of Indian origin. Okay, now they both worked for US Navy officers. They were women officers, and later on they were commissioned in this NASA, where NASA in US sends these all astronauts. Now in 1997, Kalpana Chawla went to space. She went to space twice. First she went in the year 1997, and then she went in the year 2003 in the space shuttle Columbia, which unfortunately with 7 crew members, when they were returning back, as you all know, met with an accident when it was entering the Earth's atmosphere, and the accident caused the death of all the crew members, including Kalpana Chawla. They all died while they were returning back from their mission in the space shuttle Columbia 2, because she went twice. So unfortunately she died. And Sunita Williams also, she went 2 times, and she holds the record, children, actually. Actually, she spent 322 days in the space. That is a record. And she spent 50 hours and 40 minutes in space, which is a record held by a woman. A woman in space more than that nobody has done. So she holds that record. Sunita Williams, you can see here, Sunita Williams, born on 19 September 1965, is a United States naval officer and a NASA astronaut. She holds the record of longest space flight by any female space traveler. So this is a record she is holding, and she has gone to space twice to do the research work and all that, and she has spent 50 hours and 40 minutes in the spacewalk she has done, and lot of information she has sent about, and you must have seen those videos where she takes a round in the spacecraft and shows people how they move around, what type of work they do. So these are the two great women of Indian origin. They are not Indians now, they are now American citizens. But Rakesh Sharma is an Indian who was the first man to go to space. Okay, so they have inspired many astronauts, and I hope some of you may be the budding astronauts of our country. Thank you, Chief.